The budget was hand-delivered to congressional leaders on Thursday. The 134-page blueprint outlines a massive spending plan that will push the federal deficit to $1.75 trillion. At the White House, President Obama called it an honest accounting of the nation's finances.
For too long, our budget has not told the whole truth about how precious tax dollars are spent. Large sums have been left off the books, including the true cost of fighting in Iraq and Afghanistan.
After inheriting what he claims is a trillion-dollar deficit, the president has proposed an ambitious plan to stabilize the U.S. economy. Besides investment in new energy sources and education, the plan also calls for a $634 billion overhaul of the nation's health care system.
This budget builds on what we have already done over the last month to expand coverage for millions more children, to computerize health records, to cut waste and reduce medical errors, which save, by the way, not only tax dollars but lives.
To help pay for his vision, Mr. Obama plans to raise billions of dollars by instituting a cap-and-trade system that charges businesses a tax for greenhouse gas emissions. He also plans to raise taxes on wealthy Americans and eliminate unnecessary farm subsidies. Although he agrees it's well-intentioned, Minority House Leader John Boehner says the plan is misguided.
Everyone agrees that all Americans ought to have access to affordable health insurance. But increasing taxes in the middle of an economic recession, especially on small businesses, is not the way to accomplish that goal. And so we've got real concerns about his plan.
The budget will add another $250 billion to boost the U.S. financial system, which has already received more than $700 billion. Despite criticism that government bailouts could lead to a nationalized banking system, top Obama advisor Paul Volcker corrected lawmakers at a congressional hearing Thursday.
I would not call that nationalization. I would call that capital restructuring.
Despite the large amounts of new spending, Mr. Obama says he intends to cut the U.S. government deficit in half by the end of his first term. Details of the full budget are expected in April. Mil Arcega, VOA News.